Good morning students. I am from KV Mathandam. Today I am going to discuss about question number 9 exercise 4.3 for class 10. I read the question first. Two water tap together can fill a tank in 9 whole 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter take 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. Just we try to understand the question first. A tank is there. Just see, suppose this is a tank and this tank is filled by two pipes. So let this is a pipe, this one is a smaller pipe, and another pipe is there, that is larger pipe. So as we can see that the smaller pipe will take more time and the larger pipe will take less time to fill the tank separately. If we take that the smaller pipe can fill this tank in x hour, then it is given that the larger pipe will take 10 hour less. So it will take x minus 10 hour. And if both the pipe fill together, then it will take 75 by 8 hours. These are the conditions which is given here. Now we will write these conditions and find out the quadratic equation, and then we will find that separately how much time it will take to complete it. Now see here, let the time taken by the smaller pipe to fill the tank is x hour. So accordingly, according to question, the larger type will take x minus 10 hour. Now if smaller pipe take x hour to fill the tank, so part of tank filled by smaller pipe in 1 hour will be 1 by x. Similarly, part of tank filled by larger pipe in 1 hour will be 1 by x minus 10. Now the condition is given that both the pipe, if we open both the pipe, then it will fill in 75 by 8 hour. It means that if both the pipe we open up to 75 by 8 hours, then the tank will be filled. So we can write part of tank filled by both the pipe in 1 hour as 1 by x will be filled by smaller pipe, and 1 by x minus 10 will be filled by the larger pipe. So if we allow to 75 by 8 hours, then both the pipe will fill this part of the tank. Actually this is the whole tank, so it will be 1. So according to the question, this will be 75 by 8 into 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 1. Now 75 by 8 will be transposed from left to right, then it will cross multiplication, it will get 1 into 8 by 75. So now see here, we get 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. Now take x into x minus 10 as LCM, so we get x minus 10 plus x is equal to 8 by 75. Then after calculation we take 2x minus 10 by x into x minus 10 is equal to 8 by 75. So after cross multiplication again we got 75 into 2x minus 10 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. Now just multiply it, we get 150x minus 750 is equal to 8x square minus 80x. Now transpose these two terms to the right side. If we transpose this to the right side, then we got 150x will be minus 150x and minus 75 will be plus 75. So minus 80x and minus 150x, that will 230x and plus 75. Look at here. So we get this equation 8x square minus 230x plus 75. This is the quadratic equation. Now we will solve it either using factorization or quadratic formula. I will do it as a factorization. So here factorize 230x as a 200x minus 30x. Taking these two terms, we get common factor 8x and got x minus 25. Again in these two terms take minus 30 as a common factor, then we get x minus 25. Now in these two terms x minus 25 will be the common factor and we get 8x minus 30. So we get two factor, that is x minus 25 into 8x minus 30. So either x minus 25 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 25 hours, or 8x minus 30 is equal to 0. So 8x is equal to 30, x is equal to 30 by 8, this thing. Now we get two value of x, one is 25, another is 30 by 8. So now we take x as a 30 by 8. If we take x as a 30 by 8, then the value will be 3.75 hours. It means the smaller pipe will take 3.75 hours. Now I will subtract 10 from 3.75. Look at here. The value of this will be negative, which is the time taken by the larger pipe. As time cannot be negative, so this value cannot be possible. That means this is the impossible. So the value of x will be 25 hours, and if it will smaller pipe will take 25 hours, then the larger pipe will take 10 hour less, so it will be 15 hours. The conditions I have already written here, that as in this case the time taken by the larger pipe will be negative, which I have already shown you. Time cannot be negative, so which is logically not possible. Hence the value of hence the value of x we will take 25, and it is clear that the smaller pipe will take 25 hours and the larger pipe will be take 15 hours. Thank you.